In this tutorial, we are going to look at a question on exponential equation. So in this question, we have 3 exponent 2m plus 3 minus 4 into bracket 3m plus 1 equals to 0. Now, before we can solve this particular question, we need to recall some laws of indices. So if you recall one of the laws of indices, which says that we have, let's say, 3 exponent m times 3 exponent n. The law says that if you have the same base and the sign is in multiplication, what you do is to write one of the bases and then add the exponents. So we are going to apply the same law here. So if we have this one, it can also be splitted into 3 exponent m times 3 exponent n. So applying the same concept here, we can split this one into 2. So we are going to have 3 exponent 2m times 3 exponent 3. So that when we write this one using the law of indices here, we'll get back to this. So we are going to do the same thing for the one in the bracket here. So we are going to have 3 exponent m times 3. So that this one is the same as 3 exponent 1. Yeah. So plus 1 equals to 0. Now that we have this, we can further expand this one as 3 exponent m, can write this one as 3 exponent m times 2. Then 3 exponent 3 is the same as 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27, minus 4 into bracket. Now 3 exponent m times 3 plus 1. So here we are going to have 27 times this. So we can have 3 exponent m times 2 times 27. So 4 times 3 gives us 12. Exponent 3 exponent m plus 1 equals to 0. So now you see we have 3 exponent m here, 3 exponent m here. So we can say that let x be equal to 3 exponent m. So wherever we see 3 exponent m, replace it with the variable x. So in this way, we are going to have x squared. Yeah, so x squared times 27 minus 12x plus 1 equal to 0. So clearly can multiply this one by this and we have 27x squared minus 12x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we can see that this one is a quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So clearly a is equal to 27, b equals to negative 12, and c equals to 1. So in this case, we can find the roots of the quadratic equation will become the values for x. So by using the almighty formula negative or minus b plus or minus negative root b squared minus 4ac all on 2a. So for x, we are taking the negative side of the x first. So we are going to have x equals to negative. Now our b is negative 12 minus b is negative 12 squared minus 4, a is 27, and c is 1. So all on 2a, and a is 27. So punching this on the calculator gives us 109. Now we take the negative side too. So we have x equals to minus negative 12 squared plus root of negative 12 all squared minus 4 into bracket 27 times 1 all on 2 times 27. Punching this 2 on the calculator gives us 1 on 3. So now we have the values of x to be 2. Initially, we said that we should let x be equal to 3 exponent m. Therefore, we can say that 3 exponent m is equal to 1 on 9. So this 3 exponent m equals to 1 on 9 can also be written as 3 exponent m equals to 1 on 3 squared. So 3 exponent m equals to 3 exponent negative 2. Therefore m equals to negative 2. Now taking x to be equal to 1 on 3, 3 exponent m equals to 1 on 3. 3 exponent m equals to 3 exponent negative 1. M is equal to negative 1. So therefore, we can say that the solution set for this particular equation is m is such that m is equal to negative 2 or negative 1. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.